So these are the things that I'm going to make this oval base bag. So the yarn, it depends the yarn, what measurement that you are going to make, that you are going to use. And of course scissor, and this is number 4. That is number 4, and the measurement. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you on how to make this oval base for a bag. So this is the measurement. This is the measurement. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you on how to make this. It depends to you if how long, or because this is a smaller one, smaller base bag for kids, or it depends to you if what kind of bag you are going to make. So I'm gonna show you in this size, in the sizes, in the side. I just make 15 here, 15 chains. Then you have to additional 3 chains. Okay, so let's start. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14, 15. So you have to add 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. So after the 3 chains, so you have to do like this, your hook, and insert here from the 15 chains. You have to make double crochet in each chain. So until here. Okay, so we're closer. Just continue to make double crochet. So this is our end. The only thing you have to do is to make 6 chains. Oh, 6 chains, sorry. The only you have to do is to make 6 double crochet. Okay, so we have to count it first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have only one here, so we have to make 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sorry. So in one chain, you have to make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one. 6. So total of 6. Okay, let's count again. In the same hole, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then after the 6, you have to make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Continue to make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, one moment. Sorry guys, let's make like this to be more nice and more stronger our yarn. So just continue until here, and I'm gonna show you again the next step. So we are here in the, okay, then after that there is the last one here, the last one chain here. So you have to make five double crochet, one in the same hole, two in the same hole guys, three, four, and five in the same hole, 1 2 3 4 5. Then you have to slip knot here, slip knot your work. Then after you slip knot your work, you have to, let's make three chains, 1 2 3. Then after the 3 chains, you have to continue to make double crochet in each stitch. Okay, moment. So we have to put here, just continue to make double crochet. So it depends to you if what size of your base bag that you're going to make, because this one I'm going to make a backpack for 5 years old. So this will be the smaller backpack. But I'm gonna show you also how to make my bag after to make this tutorial base bag. So because I just want to use the leather base bag, but it seems like so my yarn is not enough, so I have to make a different one. Okay, we are here now in this side. Okay, from the, okay, in the first hole, right, in the first hole we make 6 double crochet, right? So we have to start here to make 2 double crochet in each stitch. We have to make 2. Okay, so in one chain make 2 double crochet. Then the next chain, the same 2. We have to adjust, we have to add. Okay, and yes, after this, so we are here in the last one. Just continue to make. Okay, so this is the last one. Then after that, continue to make 1 double crochet in each stitch until here. Okay, then we have to stop here. The one we make in the one hole here is 5, so you have to stop here in this side, then continue to make 2 again, 2 double crochet in each stitch, then slip knot here. Okay, So after we make the double here, we have to make one, right? One double crochet in each stitch until here. You can put marker if you want. So we are now here in the last one. So in this side we have to make 2 double crochet in each stitch, so until here. This is the 10 counts because 2 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, then continue. So this is the last one. Then slip knot. Then after you slip knot, make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then continue to make 1 double crochet in each stitches. So you have to stop again here. Then so you have to adjust the one I make here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 rounds. In the fourth rounds, I adjust here. I adjust because it seems like so that I make 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1, and the same also here, 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. So I adjust to be to be so that it balance. So in this side, because I'm going to make another one for this, because I'm going to make double for this, so you have to make it the same also. You have to adjust the last round in the last row. Okay, in the last row you have to adjust. You have to make it 2 1 2 1 2 1. But here the first, second, third, this is in the last part, right here in this part, and this, that is 2 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, and the same also here, so you have to adjust. So we are now here in the last part of our third row. Okay, make slip knot. So we are now working for our fourth round, or 4 rows. 1 2 3. Just make 3 chains, then continue to make 1 double crochet in each stitch until here. So we are now here. So then you have to adjust. Let's make first 2 double crochet in this stitch. Okay, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, then the next only 1, then the next 2, then the next 1. Okay, 2 1 2 1 2 1 until here. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So after that, okay, you have to check. So until here we have to make the last one, then continue to make 1. each stitch, then until here. Okay, so that balance, okay, balance our work. Okay, we have to stop that. We have to stop here. Then after this, okay, we need one more. Okay, as you can see. Then after this, the process 2 1 2 1 2 1. Then we have to be sure that the same here. Okay, the same here. So okay, let's start. This is 2 right in one stitch, so we have to make 2. Then the next one, then the next chain 2, the next stitch 2. Just follow, guys. 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 until here. Okay, so we are here now in the last. Okay, then A1. So in the next chain there's 2 double crochet, then another one. So that's it. So slip knot. Okay, we're finished. So we're finished, guys. You know what, guys? It's nice the second one, right? It's nice the second one. Look, but it's still the same. But some a little bit, you know, different here. Not the same here. So it's much better the second one anyway. So this is it, guys, because I'm going to make double. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Going to measure, so it's still the same, the measurement, and also here 9, still 9. Okay, the measurement still the same. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you like it.